guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a how I prepare for a new semester video. I think I'm going to be doing this every semester to see like how everything changed. I have made one video of my fall semester, so I'm going to link this on the cards right here on the left if you guys want to check that out. To be honest, it hasn't changed that much, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing to show you what didn't work last semester and what I'm doing new this semester. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get right on to it. So the first thing that I'm going to be using in terms of organization is going to be planners, obviously. So this is my planner for this new year. This is the Erin Condren Daily Duo, and as you can see I put my name on the front. So yeah, this is the one I'm using. I haven't put the dates in yet because I literally just got my schedule and everything for my classes, so I'm going to be putting that in and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do that. So this is the planner that I'm going to be using for school. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to be using is Notion. I'm going to be recording my screen so you can see better. Okay guys, so let me show you how it looked on my fourth semester. So I'm actually going into my fifth semester. So this is my master's schedule template. This is from Janice Studies, by the way. I'm going to leave the link down below so you can check her video out. So this is basically, as you can see, I stopped checking things off. And yeah, basically here you put all of your assignments and basically everything you have to do for every class. Now, right here are the separate classes. Let's say for my med-surg class, I have everything by week, everything that I have to do every week. And also right here, I haven't done this before, but what I did was put a section for class notes, because to be honest, I found that it's better for me to take notes on my computer because everything is online. And to be honest with you, I didn't take notes on by hand, only on my iPad sometimes. So let me tell you how I did this. So basically what I did was I used the PowerPoint that the professor gave me, and then I put it in an outline form and then copied and pasted it right here on Notion. And as you can see, I have things that are on red right here. I will like highlight things that she will say, or that she will say like, oh, this is going to be on the test, this is really important, as you can see right here. And yeah, it's a lot of notes. That's a lot of notes. But to be honest, it helped me more than if I was like writing on the actual PowerPoint or something, to be honest with you. So what I would do is I will split the screen. On one side are my notes and the other side is the actual PowerPoint and my professor in the class. So this is what I'm going to be doing on this semester, and I hope it helps me more. Yeah, and then right here I had my weekly schedule. To be honest, I didn't use this, it's just there for you to see it. And then right here I started doing a weekly checklist of everything I had to do for that week, because like on my planner is actually a daily planner, so I don't really have a space to do a weekly checklist, but so that's why I did it right here. So Janice, from the one that made this template, she actually made a new one, so I'm gonna try it out, see how I like it, and if I don't like it, then I'm going back to this. So let's get started doing that. Okay guys, so this is the template right here, and right now I'm going to get all of my syllabi from my school's page, and then I'm going to input everything right here. This is gonna take a while, so let's see what I'm going to do, but yeah, I'm going to be showing you this in a time lapse. guys, so I just finished putting everything in Notion, so I'm gonna basically show you how it looks like. So right here I have my list of courses. So I'm taking 5 classes this semester, and then right here on the right I have my to-dos and reminders. I'm going to do a weekly to-do list with everything I have to do from every class. That's what I always do since I started college. And then right here I have my weekly schedule. So I have classes 3 days, and then the other days I don't have classes, but I do work, so I'm still gonna be busy. And then I know that I show you that at the end it had like a calendar right here. I don't really want to use the calendar. I think this is perfect, like everything I need. And then right here, when you click on the course, I put everything. So right here I put the course syllabus, I put a link to it, and then when you go back I put everything that I have to do for every week. So for example, I put the topic, I put the week, I put what chapter, and then the assignments I have to do and the date that I have to do them. And yeah, I basically did that for every single one of my courses. And then for example on this one I put a weekly to do, because she didn't put on the course outline, she didn't put what we had to do. She just put like the chapter and the topic, so I guess I have to wait. And yeah, so that's basically how everything looks, and I like it. It's simple and everything. And now I'm going to show you my Google Calendar. So this is how my calendar is looking like right now. I have to fix it. This is from like the last semester that I put everything. I put here my paydays, when I'm going to upload a video, when I have work, and when I'm planning my content and filming and editing everything. So this is like my main calendar, and I have it synced so that I can see it on my watch. As you can see right here, I have like what I have to do for the next day. And yeah, so basically I'm gonna show you after I fix it and put everything in. Guys, so I finished writing everything on my calendar. So this is how it looks like. I have a color for everything, as you can see right here. And yeah, that's basically it. Okay guys, so I just printed my syllabi, so for every class. So I don't print the whole thing. I like to have this on hand. So basically these are the topic outlines. So for example, this one is for my mental health class, adult mental health I'm taking. So this is just the topic outline with everything I have to do and the topics for each week. And then this one is for, I think, psychology. I'm taking a psychology class, and then a math class. Wish me luck, because I'm very bad at math. And also an English one. A lot of essays are coming. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to make a folder on my computer for each of the classes. So this is my year 2 folder. I don't want to go back to documents because I have some stuff there. So this is my last semester. I'm gonna show you really quickly how it looks like. So I make a folder for each semester. So these are the classes I was taking last semester, and my study resources. I put like books and stuff there. Let me show you one how I did it. This is a little disorganized because at the end, like I said, it just gets crazy and I don't really do much. So I have a folder for the syllabus, the schedule, and like important things that they give you on the first week that you have to know. I had it by week. Then I stopped doing that because, like I said, I was taking notes in Notion. And I have a folder for clinical, and there I had like clinical paperwork, the syllabus for my clinical, and then some diseases. This is how I was taking notes. So yeah, and then I have a folder for the books. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do for each class on this semester. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I'm gonna show you. Okay guys, so that's basically it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe down below and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, which is going to be every Monday and Friday at 9 a.m. EST. If I will upload it on another time, I will let you know in my Instagram, so make sure to also follow me on Instagram. And thank you guys. Bye.